Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk if you are trying to activate your Bitdefender product and you are getting this error, oops, the code you have entered is invalid, so how you can fix this issue. So you can see over here, this is the answer. Like if you're getting this error, it means your Bitdefender activation code, maybe you are doing some typo mistake, or please verify you are entering the correct code. Okay, and if your each and everything like your caps lock is should be like the code should be as it is as they have provided you. Make sure your caps lock should be turned on or off. Never include you can say like any kind of commas, any kind of special characters. The same exact number they have provided you, you have to enter the same number. Okay, and if you have done each and everything, if you have double check your typos, and if you are trying to activate your code and still you are getting rejection from their side, it means you need to contact with Bitdefender customer support. Okay, or you can also try to restart your PC, restart your device, and then you will see your activation will work. Okay, so this is the answer. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.